everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris Han. I review fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products on this channel. Lately, I've noticed the real change in my skin. My makeup glides on smoother, and it lasts for all day long. At night, I still look pretty refreshed. Just like I rested very well, I slept more than I did. I finally feel like my skin is getting the repair it actually needs. But what actually changed? I recently committed to a full skincare routine using one brand. This is WNP Skincare. It's got a full range of skincare products, and this is one of my favorites from the lineup. And I like that it's scientifically balanced, from gentle cleansing to targeted hydration and to deep repair. It's been such a lifesaver for me, especially with the weather shifting and all the late nights recently. Now let's move on to my morning routine and nighttime routine using WNP. In the morning, I start with this 4-in-1 cleanser, WNP Hyaluronic Acid Face Wash. It foams up beautifully and leaves my skin clean, hydrated, not tight or stripped. I love the hyaluronic acid, which attracts water into the skin like a moisture magnet. And it's got honey-like texture to soothe, hydrate, and it supports healing. And I also love the Centella Asiatica ingredient, which calms redness and strengthens the skin barrier. It's especially great if you have reactive or dry skin. Look, my skin just feels so fresh, not over-cleansed. Step 2 is the hydration. It's one of my favorites, WNP's 3% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is my secret to a smooth, hydrated base. It's a 3% hyaluronic acid serum, but what's cool is the enzyme cut for DHA tech. It works deeper and locks in moisture that lasts longer. It's capsulated in individual tubes, so each application you got the fresh ingredients. 3% hyaluronic acid hydrates without overwhelming the skin, and for the enzyme cut HA penetrates different layers of the skin for all the hydration and plumpness. I like how it absorbs quickly, no peeling. This keeps my makeup flawless all day. No creasing, no flaking, which is amazing. Step 3 is the eye care. I use the Multi-Peptide Firming Electronic Eye Cream. I love this eye cream, I'm so obsessed because it comes with a built-in vibrating applicator. It helps reduce puffiness, brightens the skin. This has become my must-do step before concealer. The applicator gently vibrates and it feels so good in the morning, and it just helps me instantly wake up my tired eyes. It's formulated with acetohexapeptide 8, a peptide that mimics Botox by relaxing fine lines. And the caffeine in it reduces puffiness by boosting microcirculation. You can also use it on smile lines or even along the jawline or neck area to depuff and smooth. At night, I use the same face wash. It doubles as a makeup remover, and it helps keep my barrier strong thanks to its hydrating formula. The next step is for repair. WNP Oil Suspension Emergency Repair Serum. This is my go-to overnight serum. The unique oil suspension technology combines oil and activates for deep delivery, and the marine collagen supports skin elasticity and plumps texture. Peptides can stimulate, repair, and firm the skin. And I also like the 4D hyaluronic acid, which seals in moisture across all skin layers. When my skin feels dry, tired, or just off, and this is the product I always reach for. It really resets everything, because it does it all. It firms, calms redness, and smooths out any fine lines. Just so efficient. Step 3 is actually my bi-weekly treatment, the mask treatment using WNP Mummy Mask. Okay, so this is totally next level. WNP Mummy Mask is a self-heating mask. It feels like an at-home spa moment, but it actually firms and brightens too. I use it just about twice a week to give it a glow. Follow the step 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will get all the benefits. The self-heating complex opens pores for better ingredient absorption, and the collagen infusion just helps firm and lift the skin. And I love that it's got niacinamide to brighten and even the skin tone. The kaolin clay, okay, it detoxifies gently without stripping any moisture. And the removal process, oh my god, it's so satisfying. I do this when my skin feels dull or before big events. After removing the mask, you can see that the glow is instant. I used to chase 10-step skincare routines. Oh my god, that was overwhelming. But these days, I care much less about how many steps I have in the routine. I care more about like the right steps and the right ingredients that can work together to deliver real results for my skin. Now with 5 products, only 5 from WNP, I am actually covering everything. Gentle cleansing, hydration, anti-aging, and deep repair. My skin has been more than just clear and stable. It's like really glowing. If you're looking for a morning to night skincare set that feels amazing on the skin and performs like a professional skincare lineup, I would highly recommend WNP Skincare. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I really hope this video can give you a better idea of how to find the right steps for your skincare routine. By the way, which skincare step do you care the most in your routine? Is it cleansing, serums, or repair mask? Let me know in the comment section. I can probably pair you with the right WNP product for your needs. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!